Hello, we are going to present a drama on untouchability. There is a scene of the Bhimrao Ambedkar, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, whom we call the father of the Constitution. Then I'm the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He is my teacher and he is my father too, and he is the boy who bullied him. And we are going to present the first day of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, how people treated him in the school. So let's start.
Hey nerd boy,
Hello.
don't come too near.
Why?
Don't come too near.
Why?
I said don't come too near. Because we don't want you touch us by your dirty hands.
My hands are totally clean. I washed them recently.
I said na, stop there.
Okay, but where do I sit?
Such as a dumb boy yaar. What are you thinking? You sit on ground na?
But there is a seat.
No, you will sit on ground.
Why?
Because you are belongs to untouchable category.
Okay. Good morning, Master Ji.
Good morning, Master
students.
How are you, Master Ji?
I'm fine, but who are you?
Master ji, he is an untouchable boy.
Oh my God! Hey, stay from me! Stay from me!
Why?
Go there!
Why?
Because you are an untouchable person. Go there
Okay.
and sit in corner. Okay?
Okay.
Good morning, Master ji.
Good morning. So, students, tell me, what will be the answer of 2 plus 5?
Sir, I know.
Sir, 10.
You stupid! You don't know?
No, sir.
Sir, I know.
Now, next, what will be the answer of 20 plus 40?
Sir, it's 60.
Sir, 50.
You donkey, shut up. I am not asking to you, so why are you telling?
Sir, I know the answer. That's why I'm saying.
Just shut up, okay? I don't want to ask question to you because you are an untouchable. This is curse for you. You are untouchable and we don't want to talk to them.
I'm untouchable. This is not curse on us because we don't do anything like anybody gave us a curse.
Oh, poor child. Maybe it is because of your previous karma. So please go away.
Hello, Papa. How was your day? You are looking so tired.
It's good, beta. And your day?
Mine is okay.
Okay.
It's nothing serious.
Okay, beta.
But I want to ask you something.
Yes, of course.
What is untouchability and who are untouchables?
Why are you asking this?
Because in school everyone treated me like I am a different person. I am like a donkey and I have 2 horns on my face and treating me like that. I am not belong to their community and treating that I am just we can say a dirty person who touch them to so become dirty. Why they are treating me like this?
It's nothing, beta. Don't think about too much about this.
Okay, Papa, but I want to know why they are treating me and what is untouchability. They are calling me untouchable. I am untouchable. Why they are calling me?
Bhim, forget na.
Please tell me, na Papa. I want to know.
Okay, listen. This is a practice continuing from decades, and people doesn't like to talk them like a untouchable person. We are untouchable according to rich people.
So who started this?
I don't know, but it is starting from 400 era.
We can say that, Papa, you taught me that there is no difference between boy or girl. So why do people think like this, that the untouchability and so on?
I said now forget it.
But why they think? They believe in God and they don't think the God is, they believe that the God loves their kid as they are. They made them because, so why they treated like this, like us like this?
Bhima, they are a god and we are a human. And this world we are living, there is a many rules.
But this not a thing because Baba told me that the story of Kanha and Sudama. The Kanha belongs to the rich family, the richest family. He was the king of his town, and the Sudama was the poorest one. But for him, they are the best friend. But for him, he ran barefoot in the whole his town and hugged him in front of everyone. And their friendship is the greatest friendship we ever know. But if they don't think the poor or rich, so why the people think about this?
Bhima, I told na, they are a god. and we are a human.
But people worship God as,
But we can't do anything now.
but they have to understand one day.
Okay, of course. You will do.
Yes, I will do.
Okay.
As you know that the Bhimrao Ambedkar made the constitution of the untouchability, that there is no untouchability and the right to freedom and right of everything, then we can say that the untouchability is nothing, and we have to do that. Nowadays also many people treat someone like this only, so try not to treat like this. If your parents also told you to treat them like this, so avoid this. The untouchability is there, and like we are Indians, we are the brothers sisters, as we tell us in our pledge that all Indians are my brothers and sisters, so they are your brothers and sisters, and treat them like in brothers and sisters. Untouchability is nothing, and stop untouchability because we are humans, and stop casteism. Believe in your caste, but don't think like that the untouchability is there, because your caste have your rituals and something else, but believe that the untouchability is not there. Treat everyone like humans.
मौत का ख्वाब उन्हें होता है जिनके कर्मों में दाग होता है। हम तो बाबा साहब की औलाद हैं, हमारे तो खून में ही आग है।